Site-specific theater is any type of theater production designed to be performed at a unique, specifically adaptation location other than a standard theater. This specific site either may be originally built without any intention of serving theatrical purposes, for example, in a hotel, courtyard, or converted building, or may simply be considered an unconventional theater space, for example, a forest. A performance in a traditional theater venue has been transformed to resemble a specific space, can also be considered as site-specific, in as it doesn't have the functionality that a traditional theater would have. When the location is meant to imitate, or it is itself the setting of the theatrical story, the performance may also then be called environmental theater. Site-specific theater is commonly more interactive than conventional theater, with the exception of audience members may predominantly to walk or move about rather than sit, may be called promenade theater. Site-specific theater frequently takes place in structures originally built for non-theatrical reasons that have since been renovated or converted for new performance-based purposes. Definitions of site-specific theater are complicated by its use in both theater studies and visual arts, where it is also referred to as site-specific performance. Such a glance at the history illuminates the evolution of ideas within the genre and shows how they came to take their present form in the 21st century. Site-specific theater performance originated as an outgrowth offset specific network movement that began in the late 1960s to early 1970s. Examples of site-specific theater include Ferry Play, a pod play for the Staten Island Ferry in New York City; Psychosomatic and Downsize, staged by Chicago's Walkabout Theater, and a laundromat and a series of public restrooms. Respectfully, Girls Just Want to Have Fun, with a $, staged by Women's Projects in the lobbies, escalators, and bridges of New York World Financial Center. Supernatural Chicago, staged in an allegedly haunted nightclub, and a Small Metal Objects, staged by Australia's Back-to-Back Theater at a Whitewall Ferry Terminal. Another example of this form would be the Ramalaya, a dramatic enactment of a Hindu epic, Ramayana, started in 1830 by Maryada Narayan Singh of Varanasi. It is held each year over a period of 31 days during the autumn festive season of Dussehra and Ramaha Vasarai in India, and is staged in permanent structures created as sets throughout the 3 square mile area where the audience follow the actors. Ramalaya has been declared by the UNESCO as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible humanity in 2005. Site-specific theater.